get hella free. Keep it P, never needed you, but you needed me. I got cream, make up pretty clean, boost your self-esteem. I get top in the morning, so I feel like baby king. Pussy black, step on something, so I just like baby.
Alright, what's up, y'all? So we at the airport. We just got here. I think it's like 8 something. All my stuff is in my bag and I don't want to unpack it. We finna eat. And then the plane starts boarding in probably about another 20 to 30 minutes. So we're just waiting on that. But we headed out. Gonna eat some breakfast. Eggs, potatoes, with cheese. So we're gonna see how it tastes.
You're too far away.
Y'all, so first of all, we sitting here, ain't no lap trays, ain't no damn TV, like, what is this? I've never been on one like this now. This is different. This is real different. So we don't see when they come through serving what they gonna do or what you gotta do. I don't know.
Last summer, poolside vibes, then turn up. I'm with the goons and the girls in the black down. I'ma put the windows down and holler. Was there something you wore that caught me, baby? Present, style, and aura. Can I get your name, Miss Lady? Whatever you want, just name it. Girl, let's be honest. The things I would do if to spend pounds on you, if to spend dollars on you, 100 niggas on you. So I spent 1 million on you. No, I'm really on you. Yeah. Like colors of the rainbow. Your presence also made me feel like a part of the globe. Ooh, still struggle to compare you. Your presence like an angel, sound like a brand new hope. Ooh, all about this tongue twisting when you tease. Stop the stare rope shakes when you reach down. Blue jeans, yet I won't stop forever. Up on it, you say, oh easy, stop it up. All about this tongue twisting when you tease. Stop the stare room shakes when you reach down. Blue trees, yeah, that waste not forever. And up and you say, go easy, stop it down. Girl, let's be honest. The things I would do if to spend pounds on you, if to spend dollars on you, 100 niggas on you. So I spend 1 million on you. No, 1 million on you.
On people, I was like, we probably should have worn our shirts on a cruise, but I was like, I don't like wearing airport clothes all fucking day. Like,
I understand that. How does Fool miss his flight?
No, he caught another flight.
Okay.
The girl sleep. I think he said he fell asleep because we always supposed to be on the same flight.
That's funny.
And then I'm thinking about it, we all will never fit anyway.
I'm telling you. Oh, so y'all got a big one. Where everybody else at?
And we go get food, and then we take the time to watch a movie.
Makes sense. Makes sense.
That's all I'm like, and they get it.
Wait on about, you know what I mean? Just waiting for the rooms to be ready. I don't know what it is. It's coming. What's your ballet? Yeah. It's... I didn't see it. Do you know what part of my you put it in?
I put it down to take the pictures.
You just put it on top of it.
It was literally next. It gotta be there because everything else is in my passport.
Right.
Can you call it, please? It should be on my passport.
They probably should have slid to the bottom. Big old bag. Yeah, it slid to the bottom.
Yeah. I'm like, it's somewhere.
Got my pickle patch on because the trees too.
Welcome, man. Welcome. Okay, ma'am, one pound, please, sir. $18, sir, 180.
Some water or something.
One punch, ma'am, one punch. $18, sir, 180.
Mike on the track.
there. I do that one.
Damn, I expected it to be like
Was that veal?
why the whole cheese just came over.
It makes sense. Mozzarella be on some bullshit. More like
Baby girl, let me see you do your dance, let me see you twirl. Shake that ass in the club with the whole world. Take a pic for the girls, for the whole world. Is that your bestie? I'ma ice, but we all like crispy. I'ma at you like Leslie. Hit the dance floor, get nasty, then push me. Baby girl, let me see you do your dance, let me see you twirl. Shake that ass in the club with the whole world.